Happy Friday, sixth graders. Obviously, I'm not here, so I just wanted to explain what you're going to be working on for today's assignment. And you can see that you're going to continue working in the 3D puzzle design notebook, and you're going to first do task number 1, vocab definitions. Even if you didn't finish task number 2 yet, we are going to start with task number 1 today, doing things a little bit out of order. So first do that, and then if you finish those vocab definitions today, you're going to continue working in task number 2, which is Tinkercad Starters and Lessons. So for task number 1, when you go to your design notebook, scroll down till you get to task number 1, and the first question is, how can expanding your vocabulary make you smarter? So it's already kind of started for you. Fill in the rest of it. Try to be detailed with your answer. And then for the rest of task number 1, it's just going to be looking at vocab words that we're going to be using throughout this 3D puzzle unit. And so you can see the word is at the top: process, constraint, criteria, dimension, CAD. CAD is an acronym, just like RMS stands for Robbinsdale Middle School. Each letter, CAD, stands for something. So when you look up that definition, keep that in mind because you might find something else. And then the two should-dos are justify and deliverable. And a couple things to keep in mind. If you want a little bit more detailed explanation of how to do this, remember at the top of each task it says instructional video, and this will go over a little bit more detail how to do it and give you an sample of the first word to do. But for all the vocab words, you have to find a definition for the word. Do not copy and paste from Google. It should be in your own short words so that you understand it. So if I ask you on Tuesday in class with your Chromebook shut, what does process mean or constraint mean, you should be able to tell me in your own words with your own understanding. So after you do the definition, find a picture that represents that word, an example, and a non-example. And so for all of these words, just remember that we're talking about computers, 3D modeling, going through the design process with science, technology, and so that should be the definition and that you're looking for as you narrow down your search. So you have all of class to get task 1 done. If you finish all of these words, then you can continue working on task 2, which is what we started on Wednesday. So it's important to have those screenshots in here to give proof that you did all of these. And so you'll have the rest of class to get this done if you haven't already finished them here. So this is in Tinkercad. Help each other out getting signed in if you're having trouble, but that's what your assignment is for today. And we will continue working through this on Tuesday. Take care of business, and I'll see you next week.